Hello everyone, I am back with this new video. And wait, don't buy a Mother's Day card this year. Let's make a beautiful handmade card that looks super cute and feels extra special. So in today's video, I'll show you an easy DIY Mother's Day card idea that your mom will absolutely love. So grab your colors, paper and let's start creating. So watch the full video. If you like, please comment, like and share and subscribe